Unravel the Aussie Lingo, mastering Australian slang in context. G'day, language explorers. In this video, we're going to venture into the exciting world of Australian English idiomatic expressions. We'll uncover the secret meanings behind popular Australian slang and colloquialisms, and we'll also learn how to use them correctly in context. So, brace yourselves for a linguistic journey down under. When it comes to Australian English, you'll find a unique array of colorful expressions and terms that might leave you baffled at first. But don't worry, we're here to help you make sense of it all. Let's start with some common slang terms. Arvo stands for afternoon. Barbie is not a doll here, but a barbecue. Bloke is a term for a man. Brekkie means breakfast. Brolly is an umbrella. And a very Australian one, g'day, which is a greeting meaning, good day. These are just a few examples of Australian slang words that you're likely to hear if you find yourself in Australia. Understanding the meaning of slang words is one thing, but knowing how to use them in context is another. Let's look at some examples. You might hear someone say, "I'm gonna grab some brekkie this arvo." In this context, they're telling you that they plan on having breakfast in the afternoon. In a conversation about weather, someone might say, "Don't forget your brolly. It looks like it's going to pour." They're advising you to take an umbrella because it seems like it's going to rain. If you're invited to a party, your Australian friend might tell you, "We're firing up the Barbie this weekend. Fancy coming?" Here, they're inviting you to a barbecue party. Remember, the best way to master these terms is to practice using them in sentences until they feel natural. While there are many universally understood slang terms, keep in mind that Australia is a large country with regional variations in language. For example, in Western Australia, a sandgroper is a term for a person from that region. In Tasmania, they use the term tassie to refer to their state. Always be aware of the cultural context when using Australian slang. We hope that you've enjoyed our journey into the vibrant world of Australian slang. We've just scratched the surface here, and there are countless other Aussie idioms waiting to be discovered. Remember, the key to mastering any language, including its slang and colloquialisms, is regular practice and immersion. So don't be afraid to dive in and start using what you've learned today. Good on ya, mate! Till our next linguistic adventure, cheers!